Today, we will be reviewing my friend's XSR155 2020 Tong Yu ABS model.
As the name stated, it is a 155cc engine, single-cylinder, four-stroke and 6-speed transmission. The seat height is at 810 millimeters. It has 17-inch front and back wheel. The bike dry weight of the bike is 134 kilograms and it has 10.4 liters of tank capacity. It has 14.7 Newton-meters of torque at 8,500 RPM. It has adjustable telescopic front fork and normal rear swing arm suspension. This model has LED head and tail light. It also comes with digital instrument cluster.
Hi everyone, this will be my first review of my friend's bike, Tong Yu. And yeah, so can I explain what bike have you got?
This is Yamaha XSR155.
Okay.
It's a 2022 model.
2022
yeah,
model.
Got it last year.
Got it last year, okay. Can. So why you get this bike over the other bike? I think 2B got quite a few other bikes, right?
Yeah, correct. Because like this bike, you can tell the look, very nice.
Okay, so you
the
like
retro,
this kind of
the retro look. Yeah,
okay.
like classic cafe racer type. Yeah.
Okay. So you got own any other bikes before this?
Before this, I ride Honda CBR. No, it's not CBR, sorry.
CBR.
CB 150 X-Motion.
Yeah. So how will you compare that bike over this bike then?
I feel like that bike is more powerful.
More powerful, okay.
Yeah, like the pickup. Yeah, pickup is better.
Then why you want to change to this then if that one is more powerful?
Actually, now try different thing.
Different thing lah.
Yeah.
And of course, you mentioned that you prefer this.
Yeah, the look is nice.
Okay,
yeah.
That's nice.
Actually, I quite like the riding posture also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So I think you buy brand new, right? Brand new, right?
Yes, brand new.
Then what other things have you modded to this bike?
Mod lah.
Yeah.
Wow, you can see bar and side mirror. Wow.
So okay. So originally it's come with actually.
No, originally it's like the
normal,
the big ugly one.
Okay.
Yeah, not nice one.
So you change it to this.
Yes, correct.
Okay. What else?
And then I changed my tire.
Change your tire.
Yeah.
Now it's what tire?
Wow, I think Maxi.
Maxi.
Maxi. Because like it was stock lah. It's like a very sudden decision because it was raining. Then I was like almost skid a bit.
Okay, that what makes you change the tire
go to the workshop and change.
Okay. What else?
Also changed my chain. Come here.
Chain also must say, okay, but yeah, also why you change your chain?
Because the stock one, right, it's like keep getting loose.
Keep getting loose.
Yeah, then this one is the DID, I think for something, the O-ring.
Oh, okay, okay.
428, yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what else? I think, I see this part. You
also
changed, right?
Also this one.
Oh, it looks good.
The grill, like the BBQ one.
Barbecue. Okay. I mean, this one also, I think, is to help, like, stone chip and all those.
Maybe,
right?
yeah.
Other than aesthetic, also to help to protect your headlight.
Correct.
What else? Okay. I think that's
then got
all.
phone mount, yeah. Okay, because it's a 2B bike, so you need the vibration damper.
This particular brand have.
I want some M1.
Also, when you buy this, Z doesn't come with it.
Doesn't come with it, yeah.
Then you buy separately.
Yes, correct.
But it fits this model lah.
Not really lah. I have to adjust. You see, it's quite ugly.
Oh.
It's like slanted.
Okay, so it's not meant for this particular brand one.
No.
Okay, that's nice. Anything else?
And then you can see this bracket, right? You know already lah. In Singapore, always rain lah.
Okay.
So we need box lah. But for the video, I take out the box.
Yeah lah. Of course, it will spoil the look of the bike lah. So at least now you take out already, it looks nicer. Okay, of course, I see that you also have a camera, front and back.
Yeah, front and back camera.
Which brand you get for the?
It comes with the bike, the workshop install one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Can. I mean for safety lah.
Yes, correct.
Okay, I think that will be all for now. Then let's try having you sitting on the bike, and then we see how you look like on the bike. So the seat height, you remember how tall is it?
808.
808.
Yes.
Okay, then yourself, how tall are you?
168.
168.
Yes.
So do you find yourself like having difficulty riding a bike?
No, in fact, one leg, you see, I can flat foot.
One leg can flat foot.
Yes.
Okay. Both leg?
Both leg can touch
Okay lah, not bad.
Not bad.
So quite comfortable
Quite comfortable.
Okay, so I think anyone below your height can still ride lah.
You want to have a try?
Can.
Come.
Okay.
Your height?
I'm 160, so you can see and try. So one leg, okay lah, almost flat foot lah, but I got to lean
a bit lah.
Yeah, but both feet no issue. Okay, hey, wow, it's very light.
Very light.
Very light.
I think it's 100 plus kilo, obviously.
100 plus kilo. That's nice, that's nice. Okay, yeah, I think not bad. Nice. Okay, so after this, then we'll probably go for a ride and we'll have more talk about your bike.
Yes,
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go. Hi guys, so we are back on the road and then we're continuing with the review. So Tong Yu, now what license, what class do you have right now?
I recently just passed my 2A. Yeah, I've been riding for like about 4 to 5 years now. Yeah.
4 to 5 years total lah, including your 2B.
Yes, correct.
I see. Okay, so now you get your 2A already. Will you be changing any bike?
Actually, I wanted to change to maybe like GX4RR, but the price is like too expensive lah, in my opinion. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe
So,
also like thinking maybe R3. If I want a
R3.
sports bike, I'll choose R3, and if not, high chance Super 4 lah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're looking at sports bike.
Yeah, I want to
for 2A for
experience
now
lah.
lah.
Yes, correct,
I
correct.
see.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So let's say now after you get your 2A already, you'll be getting your class 2 lah.
Yeah, actually, I think of just when I can take class 2, right, I'll just go and take already. Yeah.
Okay. So let's say you get your class 2 already, what do you think your dream bike will be?
Class 2 dream bike, yeah. Or I think different category got different one for me, yeah. Maybe
You'll be
sports
looking
bike,
at sports bike also?
if sports bike, yeah, S1K.
S1K.
Okay, yeah. And then if touring bike, I think a GS would be nice.
Wow. Can you reach or not?
Oh, yeah, that's a good question.
For your current bike right now, right? Do you travel to Malaysia or not?
Furthest, JB.
JB. So what do you do there in JB?
JB, usually I just go for supper with my friends, or petrol runs.
Pump petrol.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So let's say if you get your class 2 already, right? Then you wish to travel elsewhere or not? Like, where is there any like a dream location that you want to travel to?
Touch Thailand,
Thailand.
Yeah.
Any specific location?
Just cross the border, happy already.
Cross the border. So touch the border, you turn and come back Malaysia.
Maybe maybe. Maybe you can bring me further also.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Alright, Tong Yu, so will you be recommending this bike, or I mean your bike, to other 2B riders?
The answer is yes and no lah. So
Okay, why is that so?
so like if you like the looks, right, okay, you can go for it. But for the speed wise, I feel like this is a very not powerful bike lah.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So to conclude, this is more like if the person wants this bike, it can only go for looks, and they must like how the bike looks like.
Yes, yes.
But they're not
if
looking
you
at
feel like,
performance.
yeah, performance wise, I think they are more powerful to be bike out there lah.
I see.
Yeah.
So if can you recommend, if let's say if I'm looking for a more powerful bike, which bike actually you think that would be suitable for me?
I think the CB150R is good
Oh,
for everyday
okay.
use. Yeah.
How about, I think there are also other bikes like Duke 200 and all those, right?
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
I think your previous one is a Duke 200, right?
Yeah, I ride a Duke 200 before, and then we can say that it's actually very powerful lah. And I actually brought that Duke 200. Furthest I went to Malaysia was Genting.
Wow.
Yeah. So, but I mean, it being a 2B, though I can say that it's powerful lah, but when I try to go up on the Genting Highland that time, right, I can only go at like maybe gear 2, gear 3 max.
Oh.
Anything else, right, not enough power
Cannot go
already.
already. Oh.
Yeah, correct. Tong Yu, I forgot to ask you also, what is the fuel tank capacity for your bike?
Oh, it's a 10 liter. 10 liter. Yeah, 2 liter reserve.
Okay, so
Yeah.
have you tried like how far can you go, like the fuel consumption?
Yeah, let me think. It's like about. I don't know, like the way I use the bike lah, it's a bit too much or what. I think it's about 45.
Again?
45. 45 what? What is that?
45 kilometer per liter.
Okay, again answer.
Okay. So that means what? With full tank, you think you can go about how much?
About 45 kilometer per hour.
I know,
Per
but
liter,
like, have you calculated the
Per
full
liter,
tank, right?
Full tank Full tank
Yeah.
about 450 average.
450.
Yes, correct.
But where's the furthest that you have tried?
What do you mean?
Like what's the distance that you have tried? Like you reached the max of it until you went to have to pump petrol.
Have to pump petrol I think I think 500 can if I push
Wow.
If I really then if I like 500 is like when I start my bike, right, it's like take a while to the engine take a while to start on.
Okay, that means the fuel like don't have already.
Yeah. That's when I really need to pump.
Okay, but at least you managed to reach 500.
Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah. Alright, Ken, I think if not, I think that will be all for the review for Tong Yu's XSR155. So I repeat again, if anyone wants to let me review their bike, just reach out to me. Then we will plan one day to meet up and see how we can do our review. Alright, Ken, that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Okay, bye.